Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to pass dynamic endpoints to the HTTP patch client connector. First, choose a start shape with no data. Then select the HTTP patch client connector. Provide the base URL in the connection tab. The operation will automatically be selected to patch. Choose a set property shape. Then choose the property type as a document property. Source type as connectors, then select the connector as HTTP patch client and set the property to path. Next, choose the property HTTP patch client path, then choose the parameter as static and provide the value. This is how you can pass dynamic endpoints to the HTTP patch client connector. Thanks. Have a great day. Goodbye.